I just saw it was available and I was like, oh, whoa, what's this? No, I understand. Thank you for trying, but I'm just too tired right now. I don't know why I show up. All I do is get insulted and my modding abilities disparaged. Well, maybe if you weren't such a lousy mod. My thoughts on overall set. I've enjoyed watching you build it a lot. The color of the roof is wrong to me. Feels too childish for me to firstly want to display it, but can understand why you like it as a way bigger Lego fan than I could ever be. No, that's not true. You could be a bigger fan than me one day. Honestly, main reason I like the green is that it's nostalgic for me, and it does the color does complement the tan, you know. Avij, you've been good, been lurking for a little while, waking up. Nice one. Well, I hope you've been enjoying your time here so far. If you ever want a temporary mod, you know I'm here. I even have modding experience. I've seen your modding. I'll look elsewhere, thank you. The first was paranormal and it actually scared me, which is rare. Nice one. The second was psychological and it was very stressful. Much fun. Stressful movies are my least favorite movies because I want to relax when I'm watching a movie, not stress, you know? I stress enough in my everyday life. I don't need to do it when I'm watching a movie as well. I wound you so good. So I should. So good, yes. But guys, that basically concludes the Lego portion of Harry Potter July. It is Harry Potter's birthday tomorrow. We got through all of the sets from this wave in July except for the forks, because we haven't bought that yet. So we'll get that eventually. We'll build that on stream eventually as well. July did kind of fly by for me. We had flying lessons at the end, but really we've been flying all this month. Damn, that was good. Damn, that was good. Nailed that one. Nailed that one. But gee, we built a lot. We built the night bus. We built everything you see here. And we also built Hedwig and Hogsmeade. We got through a lot of sets this month, actually. Next month, August, is intended to be August, throughout which we'll be building Monkey Kids sets. We've got a lot of those to build. We're going to have a look at those in a second here on stream, so that you can. In fact, we'll be doing that right now. We'll do it right now. Why not? It's fine. Give me 1 second and we'll get onto that. All right, here we go. Here's the sets we're going to be building throughout August. Here we go. There we go. Wait, I need to move that out of the way again. This is the big one. This is the Monkey Kid Secret HQ. 1,959 pieces. This is the second biggest Lego Monkey Kids set by like 20 pieces or something insignificant. The Flower Fruit Mountain is the slightly bigger one. This is the big one though. This is going to take us probably at least 2 streams to get through, so prepare your butts for that. Then we've also got another fairly big one. This is 1,462 pieces. This is the Monkey Kids Team Drone Copter. It is a friggin' cargo container. Exactly. That's a cargo carrier. Container carrier. It's a huge cargo ship. And it's pretty cool. You'll see when we build it, but if I can get in, there we are. It opens up, the whole thing just folds open, and then inside there's like interior space. There's a little mech in there. There's like a bunk bed, you know. It's pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to building that one. There are a lot of cool sets in the line Marvelous Bricks, and I've nearly got the complete line at this point. There's like 5 sets I don't have. Some of them I probably won't get. Like I'm not gonna get the smaller truck, and I'm probably not going to get the ramen noodle mech, unfortunately. I do really like it, but it's got no exclusive minifigures, so it's hard for me to justify unless it's on really deep clearance or something. But anyway, this is the Monkey Kids Team Drone Copter. So this set goes with the HQ and has more shipping containers in it that have more interior space. So that's sort of an expansion to the previous one. Then we have something completely different. We have the Red Sun's Inferno truck. This is 1,111 pieces. And the main thing I want is this. Like this is mostly what I'm after, just this. But we get all this as well. So that one's gonna be interesting. This one I probably won't keep this one on display all that long, to be honest. But we'll build it still, we'll build it on stream. And then after that, we've also got this one, 774 pieces. This is the, what's the proper name? Lion Guardian mech. Sorry, Monkey Kid's Lion Guardian. This one comes with a real cute little arcade with Dance Dance Revolution. We've got another Spider Queen minifigure and a little build for her, but the awesome lion mech. I love this thing. As soon as I saw this one, I knew this was one that I was gonna have to get. Wouldn't it be funny if Square got raided by the person he was gonna raid? That would be funny, wouldn't it? That would be funny. Anyway, this set is gorgeous, and I do really look forward. Weird transparent thing that they do. This set is gorgeous, and I do really look forward to building this one. This one's going to pair great with the Demon Bull King and the Monkey Kid mech that I've got, or Monkey King mech that I've already built and have on display. Then we also have the White Dragon Horse jet, courtesy of MJ and her incredible generosity. This set includes a really cool little, well, it's a vending machine, but it disperses a random item, so it's kind of also a gacha machine. I'm not sure, but it's also something I'm really looking forward to, is a sub build once again. God damn, the transparency thing. But the jet itself looks fantastic as well. We saw Supercomputer build some of this, and I knew I had to have it. So we will be getting to this one eventually as well. This one